Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel InnoTV. It's really nice to see you again on the internet. Hope you had a wonderful holidays and happy new year. I'm Rita, and I'll break down the video into two parts. Firstly, we're having a review and outlook of the industrial memory market trends for DRAM modules and NAND flash. Secondly, we'll share with you an application study of Innodisk storage AIoT solutions. Okay, so now, looking on the DRAM modules and IC price trend. Some suppliers have affected with some impact to output levels by the lockdown, because the city's closure has reduced workforce on-site, especially the manufacturer runs a DRAM assembly and test site there. The supplier's DDR4 8GB IC are suffering with tight supply, due to notebook shipment continue to be strong in 2022 first quarter. And for the DRAM worldwide production, the COVID-19 pandemic has brought chaos to the supply chain, and the recent improvement has partially risen the demand for certain products, though the following factors should be placed under observation pertaining to a structural subversion in the succeeding DRAM industry. First, whether the alleviation in component gaps will spread to other products outside of PC, especially with the server field, since the latter is affected by an impeded shipment of motherboards instead of an appalling demand. And second, Intel's brand new CPU that serves as a major factor to the changes to the penetration rate of DDR5. Third, the possibility in actual intensification for the demand of end products guided by smartphones and notebooks. A realization of one or more than one of the aforementioned factors denotes a possibility of subversion for the DRAM industry. Okay, so next, for the NAND flash industry review and analysis. Looking at the NAND flash market from the supply side, the total NAND flash supply bits rose by 11.1 quarter-on-quarter for third quarter 21, and is estimated to rise again by 9% quarter-on-quarter for the fourth quarter. The NAND flash industry is now shifting its focus toward upwards of 100-layer products. Regarding the distribution of the total NAND flash supply bits by 3D NAND technology, the share of both 100-layer will surpass 40% by the end of 2021, and by contrast, the share of 92 and 96-layer has now dropped to almost 35% as products of this generation has been replaced. With the activation of more production capacity for 128-layer products, the inventory level of the supply side is gradually rising. Moreover, the production capacity is returning to normal for the most NAND flash products. The notable exception is again enterprise SSDs, the production of which is still limited by the lack of power management ICs. Okay, in this session, we're gonna introduce you a successful application studies of an unwearing high-performance DRAM for critical data center servers. As part of the drive to unify its enterprise computing infrastructure, a leading telecommunications organization focused on cloud management solutions decided to upgrade its data center hardware. Therefore, the company's staff was tasked with procuring high reliable and high-performing DRAM modules suited for critical telecommunications infrastructure. Due to the critical nature of the application, any solutions must be able to operate at a high level day in and day out without encountering any errors. To address these needs and to ensure that its upgraded data center meets the current and future needs of its customers, the telecom industry company reached out to Innodisk to find a suitable solution. For this case, there were a couple of challenges that we encountered. First, the high capacity and availability. Continuous data analysis require high-capacity modules with uninterrupted uptime. And there's no room for error. The client cannot risk costly downtime caused by memory errors. Also, we need the top performance. The client's application requires data transmission to maintain high and stable performance under heavy and constant load. So we Innodisk come to a solution with truly industrial-grade DRAM, that is strictly tested DRAM modules with original IC, guaranteeing that all quality requirements are met in full. And server-optimized stability, register memory modules with error code correction, and high-performing, high-capacity server memory with exceptional bandwidth and memory performance along with generous capacities. Innodisk DRAM provided ample performance headroom for future demands. Eventually, we obtained the result with Innodisk 16GB DDR4 DIMM modules. The telecom company found a solution that met their requirements and exceeded their expectation for memory-intensive server use in their upgraded data center. Moreover, with Innodisk DRAM modules' original IC and strict in-house testing with IRAM, the client expects to continue using the modules for years to come before requiring replacement or upgrade. And finally, owing to Innodisk's best-in-class service quality, the client is confident in tackling any potential unexpected challenges that may come in their way in the future. Therefore, we believe that through great cooperation, Innodisk can aid clients in overcoming all challenges. By maintaining efficient communication, we ensure that tailor-made solutions will be suitable for your applications, from initial stages of communication to the final execution. We will continue to devote our innovative hardware, firmware, and software integration. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you have a nice day. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.